Okay, this next video will be about the lawnmower and the blower and the whippersnipper. If you're feeling, confident that you can do it, I mean, it's not that hard. But feel free to ask Adam to help you out since he offered. Alright, so anyway. First step, get to the lawnmower. Alright, lawnmower. Bring it outside. So you can adjust the height of the lawnmower by this little lever down here by the wheel. I set it to 3, so you go 1, 2, 3. That's the height I cut the grass. Any lower and it sort of damages the grass. What do you got? You got your oil. Oil's fine, don't worry about it. You have the pull start. That's how you start it, by pulling that. You have the fuel. This takes normal petrol. And screw it. You look inside. You can see by the fuel level it's about there. It's almost full. So that should last like a full lawnmower probably. If you do need to fill it up, so if it's running low on petrol, here is the normal petrol jerry can. So that's for lawnmower. So you need a funnel to help you pour it. So this is the tricky part. Like, you might want to get the funnel from the garage and do this, because you can like take off the lid. Maybe it's this funnel. Yeah, this one. So you take off that lid and you screw in this lid. Then you get like a nice funnel where you can you put it inside the fuel cap after you take it off, of course. And you fill up the petrol. Just check it every now and then to make sure that it doesn't overflow. If it overflows, don't worry about it. Just the petrol will evaporate naturally. Alright, so this is an old lawnmower and it won't start first time. But you can make it start first time if you use this spray can. So to use this spray can, all you do is come down to the air filter box and you just pull it off. Pull it off. There's the air filter, but there's a little hole in here. That goes directly into the engine. And that's where you want to spray this. So you take off the lid, give it a shake. Spray some inside the engine. Just a couple of sprays. Then you put the air filter back on. Oh, one of the clips is broken. That one's broken, so just push it in so the clip stays on that. Doesn't matter, don't worry about it. Then this is the throttle. So at the moment it's set to stop. So you want to push it forward so that it goes to, where is it? It goes to start. So put your foot on the lawnmower, get your hand, take off the slack, hold it here, and then you have to pull really hard. When you change it from choke to run, that's a good speed. So to take take the catcher off, you just need to lift up the handle. Lift up the handle and the catcher comes off. Put the catcher back on, lift up the handle, and push the catcher back into the lawnmower. Turn it off, you just go to stop. See, when it gets to the circuit, it'll stop. There. When you take the catcher off, so you take it off, put out the grass, put it wherever, keep your hands away from it, away from while it's moving. It's got a warning there, like if you put your hands in there while it's spinning, book a trip to the hospital, I think. It's a good idea to wear shoes because, you know, sometimes you step on stuff or it might flick a stone up underneath the lawnmower and might get hurt. Yeah, wear a hat and you'll be right.